Come on, out. Up, come on. Oh. Tight spaces, tight spaces. I need to move a little bit more. Oh, let's see. I should have drive this tractor a little bit further away, but it have to do. What is the taking hold of it? It's over soon. Not much to left to do. So, okay, I have to pull that rest of that cable. Well, pulling it will bring it down perhaps, so I'm not doing that. So let's do it from here then. Always a rock. Okay, now we are making some progress. Oh, that was a sharp edge. Okay. That will straighten it out. Now we can continue to put these on. Come on now. Of course, it's a little bit bended. No, won't matter. Do have enough these. Excuse me. Maybe a few more. So where we are at. Maybe here. Anything? Rocks? No. Quite a stable. We'll see this kind of thing. We will see is my nails placement. Nice. Nail placement even near to where it should be. It could be better maybe, I don't know. Almost in the middle. little bit like so, and there we go. Few bad places, like a 2, but now it's installed, except that one part, and this also this another which I'm doing right now. Let's see. Come on now. How this is so. How this is so tight. Some wood away. And still something is. My God. Try even. What we are seeing right now, something. Okay. From there to here to there, somewhat like so. There we go. And now them stripper tool from the upper side like so is the place where I will put this going through. Of course it went bad. Or I did miss the place where I throw this garbage. Now we are almost done from this side. Okay. Like I already shown you this dull, with this dull screwdriver's head, I will make this hole so that the hole what this tool does, it is not sharp edged. It has this round, nice round figure. Okay, let's see now. Like so, and somewhat like so. Now I can hammer it into place. It's not perfect, well, already I can tell you that, but it will suffice. Let's see. Middle of here. Perhaps here even. Would that give it any point? It does not. Or does it? It's just like an saw edge. No, it will look bad if I would use that. But now we can start to make these last installments, these wacos. Let's take some faces out the way before doing anything else. There goes the protective earth. Very first. Then neutral. And now we can start put faces to their own places. Faces to places. So come on now, don't be a shy like I am. Well, it won't be a pretty one, but it is what it is. Like so. It is not pretty. See, we'll show you a little bit closer. What the heck I am doing? Whoop, it's not pretty. Yeah, this kind of installment. If I had to make some more room, I could make those wacos go much more compact, but it will suffice. And now we are doing that another junction box that has a live wires. And I'm going to go put that live away for the installment. That is, it is a safe. Let's see. Let's take this cable out of here. Come on. Okay. Stuff a little bit back together. Oh, don't fall, don't fall. There we go. So, I'm not, well, I keep this stuff in my pockets as long as needed. And, well, we'll take this bench a little bit closer. I can do the final installment. Yeah, right. Does this hold? Yes, it does. Okay. I will go get tripod making funny movements. I don't know, you probably don't see anything because of this background. Well, somewhat. Background lightning. Anyway, I'm going to cut off the power from here and then we make the last installment. So back in a sec. Okay. What did it? So was they was this bottom one. Yep. I have to check this. Okay. Start making funny noises. Then I will take this measurement tool model. This multimeter. And we can clearly state that it's out of commission now. I have also this indication light that it will tell if there's any current or not, but well, it's not shooting anything. But that is not the case. I'm not relying on some lights. I'm relying on whole thing. When I can measure is there any current or not. Come on now. Behave. One time. There's so tight places. The nice thing about this Wacos also is you can measure. You don't have to take anything apart. You just put this your measure heads the top of these Wacos, and it will. There is these terminals that will do same as you would put inside, right, like so. These. So there is no any need to do so. But yeah, it is, so to speak, a dead. Free, safe to touch. Yep. Safe to touch, but I do not have to touch it more than these cables will give me the reason to touch. and everything is pretty much like how, like so. Well, let's start from the ground and neutral. Somewhat safety. Okay. One thing done. Next. Okay. Could put them a little bit better in here, like so. Then we are using these terminals that are using faces. 1, 2, like so, 3. Go on, go on. Come on, come on. All the way. All the way, all the way. Like so. Oh, this is always a hassle with these bigger cable thicknesses that, well, this will suffice. Like somewhat so. It ain't pretty at all. Well, I'm not complaining as long as it's doing its job. There we go. And that another cap is on. That is okay. Everything is nailed to the place. Pretty much that kind of installment. I'm not taking away this multimeter just yet, but now I will put the circuits back on and start measuring if everything is in order. Also, this is nice test how long this mic will carry my voice. One thing is indicated. Breakers did not go off, so it's an indication that nothing is sorted at least. Okay. Now we'll take this multimeter. Let's go check what it will say. And of course in this darkness, well, at least you can see something, hopefully. Let's take a measurement tool at hand. Come on, and we'll put that AC, not DC side. I don't know, you can see this light, it will go off and on, meaning there is a live circuit, but never trust some light that will show is there a current or not, because it won't tell it what it is, but it will react that magnetic field that this is creating. Even if there is no any load, there is still a current flowing in here. Well, it's not flowing, but it is charged, if I may say that way. Now we will see. Okay, go to the right place. 231.4 volts. Somebody has done something right. But anyway, this won't be the only measurement that I'm doing. I have this big Fluke measurement tool that will tell me everything I have to know to do these kind of measurements. And I'm doing that off camera because, well, I might show it, that tool anyway, but it's not nothing. I will plug just it on, knock, and play one button. It's like that. And of course it will tell me what it has to tell me. I will just take my phone and check all the these parts that I have to go through and check them if they are in between these upper or downer lines between them, meaning short circuit, amperage, yada yada. There's lots of stuff to check, and this protective earth and so on. But I'm not covering it in this video because things. But now we can measure this 3 phases thing. 231, next 220. Let's see a little bit. 230, and what about the last one? 221, yep. And also we can measure between these phases. 397, 397, and the last one 396. Well, 397. Pretty much same thing. I don't know, did you see anything or not, but maybe some next installment, electrical installment videos, I will show you better with better lighting than this hall is. Tractor shack, or what you want to call it, it's so dark. There is no enough light to do anything. Even if I have to do something to that tractor, I have to have this headlamp. So I'm sorry about that. That this video has to be so dark. but in next videos they are maybe better quality. But anyway, I'm start to clean up that kind of video. But yeah, like I already said, I'm not using those outlets just yet. They have to be properly measured first, that I can state they are not making fires if something goes wrong. So I will wash my hands by doing it, because if you are doing something these kinds of work and you are not having tools to measure them, or even you just cannot say it's okay by it's looking okay. You have to have measures, and you have to have this knowledge to even check what you are doing and where you are doing these measures. So, well, let's see in these light conditions what it would look like from here, now that here is some kind of room to show the nailing and the cable itself. It's not perfect, but it will work. And the height of this installment is 120 centimeters from, not ground in this case. As you can see, this is sand and what else. So I did take that measurement from this plank. So this rest from the ground is extra, but it's more like in let's just say in my eye level. If this room is filled with like a stupid amount of snow, it probably won't make any hassle, but I won't make any bets on it. But what is clear, that the top layer of that amount of snow, it won't do bad, because that IP qualification, or what else it is called, I know what I'm meaning, but if you are not, I'm sorry, but I think this is universal. But the higher the numbers in these electrical parts in those classes, the better. So this one will and can handle if it's somewhat inside of this snow. Well, I haven't seen any these parts never been submerged in snow, but in this eye level, no, we are not living in like a North Pole where there is 1 million meters snow. So, but it will prevent anything bad happen in the case there is blowing so much snow in here that it could go short circuit. But anyway, that's why I did make it a little bit higher than it should be. But like I said, this is my home. I'm a little bit bending these rules. It's not well, it's not bad thing that you are making something a little bit higher than it should be. In this case, I'm preventing it to have any kind of water problem. But anyway, there are some strict rules that even I don't bend. The securer the installment, the better. Because like in this video, I did already show you that what kind of things you have to do before and after, and okay, I have not shown that measurement with that fluke, but you will see in some videos that I'm showing overall what it's like to use that thing. But like I said, it's just you plug it in and press a button. You will check what it's showing you, and you will check your book or your phone, whatever you have this knowledge, and you are comparing them. If it's okay, done. It's stupid simple. So that's why I'm not showing. And this with this lightning, I have to make some tripod LED floodlight to show light in my works. I have these lights, but I have to somehow to make some stationary light that I can show you. Like this tractor maintenance, it's still continuing. That radiators, I mean that thermostat is bad, hopefully, but I already tested so long that it won't open up. This whole setup is the motor is warm and like hot, but these pipes are cold, except these warmers, water warmer heater. That is only thing that will circulate that water. So one thing is sure that it's okay, but only indication that is that it's bad that thermostat it won't open no matter the heat. I think it has that stuff what already I've shown you got stuck between that spring and these elements that it contains. So we are repairing that also. And these weather temperature starts to plummeting this week, and it seems that it will keep that way ahead. So nothing like these temperatures anymore, like above 10 degrees. So it is good thing to have this thing back to rolling sooner than later, because as long it's not snowing, I'm using this. It has lots to work with. So that kind of hassle video. Now I'm stop stalking nonsense and then clean this whole thing up and measure that thing and be done with it. Decent job, quality at least. Will work. Could be a prettier. I don't know. And for the future notice, with that conjunction box, I will use that to bring light switches and lights to this tractor shack in some point in the future. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you did like it. and I'm doing next projects what I can, and also video editing and so on, so forth. Leave a comment and follow me to the next videos coming up, as eventually I will bring them online or publish them as I can, and as my video editing skills improve somewhat, and so on. So see you in next video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.